Hello, I'm Priyanka Pratap and I'm at Belgravia Heights 2, the newly handed over project by Ellington in JVC. Now, Ellington is famous for their high quality build, and this apartment ticks all the boxes when it comes to renting a property you can call home. Come, let's check out the apartment. This bright and spacious apartment has a modern open plan kitchen that comes with built-in appliances and a separate storeroom. Both bedrooms are ensuite and have attached wardrobes, and this bedroom overlooks the park. The apartment also has a large-sized balcony, a separate laundry room, a guest toilet, and one reserved parking space. So what are you waiting for? Give me a call today and let's arrange a viewing.